Guys, welcome to World War II in real life. In this series, I will be talking about World War II vintage equipment. Today, we got the original World War II mess set. Really genius idea. See right here, you got your two-piece open. This they would usually put soup in, and then this they would put anything that forks. You have your fork and spoon. This is not an original spoon, but it is from World War II. It would be a bit smaller, so you can put it in and close the lid. It's rusted off, but usually there would be a handle for a frying pan right here, so you can fry something over your stove. Then you have that as your mess set. Then you have your canteen. This would usually have a chain, but it's rusted off. It would connect to here, and then you untie this, you drink whatever you need to do with it. And then you have your cup. This would be, it's really nice for drinking at. But usually there would be a handle here, some type of clip here, kind of like this, that you would use for drinking. You'd put your hot soup in there to drink it. And that would just go over, that would go in your canteen. It's kind of dented right now, but it would go in your canteen. And that is your original mess set. Sometimes you would have an army tray issued to you. And then this is all the rest of it. Hundreds of these from the original Battle of Guam. So please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.